about tortoise and the hare. In the forest, a rabbit and a tortoise is a good friend. It helps each other and live happily. One day, the rabbit and the tortoise made its appointment. Tortoise walked so slowly, where the rabbit hopped and jumped and clapped the slow fella. Tortoise left far behind. The rabbit said, "Why are you walking so slowly? Will not be us together." The tortoise said with a smile, "It is true if I slower with you, but I can walk in circles when I'm that stuck. Don't throw up to rest. I will pat you." The rabbit is too ear to ear and said, "You must be dreaming. It's been too much." I said, "Okay, let's too much to go to the big tree in the field first." They heard that much. Every animal to want to what that much happy. Or to that, the rabbit is to win. With that, it's very proud to know it. The mat built with Billy. Does that eat more monkey? Okay. On your pole, ready, go! The rabbit and very fast. The tortoise walked toward it slowly. Rabbit ran for a ride and looked back. It didn't found a bit big of a tortoise. He thought, "It will be good to tortoise to beat me." So it slowed down. The little rabbit play up walking. It found every flower not far away. So it left the old road and left them and picked them. After picking the rest of flowers, the rabbit took back into the road. But it not found the tortoise way because it's running so much. It feels tired. It sat in the dirt and played that flower. After playing for the moment, the rabbit it felt so sleepy. It fell asleep. The tortoise is walking step by step. Finally, it beat the rabbit. The rabbit it stood up and looked back. It not found tortoise feet yet. The tortoise is too slow. It walked to the finish line. After patting the rabbit, the tortoise felt tired. It not stopped and kept holding the head. The rabbit go in the finish line. It found the tortoise the other animal is waiting for him. The rabbit it hung and head and him. The end. Thank you for listening, everyone. I hope you learned a lesson. Note, you're not up to meet everyone. Don't be proud in yourself. Let others. Your feet on the ground. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you next time.